Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Doing right by consumers is always the right thing. Sometimes the problem with some great technology is that it doesn't always age well. It's been more than 9 years since Google purchased Nest, maker of the Dropcam. Now Google has advised Dropcam users that it will end support as of April 8th of next year. But Nest-aware subscribers are being offered free Nest Cam indoor wired replacements. That is better than how buyers of Google Glass smart glasses were treated. Sometimes devices don't have to have grown old. In 2021, the Amazon Glow was introduced, allowing remote play along with video conferencing for families. But last year, Amazon decided to snuff out the Glow. Amazon, to its credit, issued refunds to buyers, but it still left lots of kids wondering why. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.